Not really. I am in the middle of the season. There are very important tournaments coming up. There's Wimbledon, and I think it's a great achievement, which I'm gonna celebrate with my loved ones for sure at some point. But obviously very happy. It's a dream come true. And but in the other way, there is now new challenges are coming up. Of course, the people and players, they want to beat you, and they know you better the way you play. So you always have to find a way to beat your opponents. They don't have nothing to lose anymore against me, and I have everything to lose. But this is the exciting part, and I like that. And in the other way, you have to work on having new solutions on the court, and this is going to be hopefully my next step. Trying to prepare myself in a way of being more unpredictable on court. In the beginning of the year, we said we're going hunting, and then we see what we can catch. And this now is still the same. I think every tournament is a great opportunity to show something new, and to show also the willing to win as much as we can. But to don't forget also the process. If we want to become a better tennis player, sometimes you have to invest, sometimes you have to lose. I hope that Novak comes back as soon as possible. I know hopefully he can somehow play Wimbledon, because it would be a tough loss for Wimbledon not having him. I am in a position now where I can try to do my best in every Grand Slam, in every big tournament. So hopefully I can show some good tennis there. It's gonna be interesting to see how everything evolves, and yeah, I'm just happy to be part of the special tournament.